Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. So today's video is a bit different than the usual videos because in my videos, I discuss about tech products and to be more specific about Apple products most of the time. Yeah, sometimes I have a Logitech keyboard or a Logitech mouse, but in general, I discuss Apple products. But today's video is a bit different. I just received this box in my mailbox and first of all, I didn't know what's inside because it's been a long time that I ordered this particular product. And secondly, this product was actually very great. It's not that expensive and it will serve me for the coming years. I bet so. So if you want to know what's inside this box, keep tuned. So actually what's inside this box is a nail clipper. And you may think, hey, a nail clipper, you talk about tech and all of that, so why all of a sudden about a nail clipper? Well, because I discovered that this nail clipper is not like the usual one. This one is very sophisticated, it looks very great, and its functionality is also very great actually. So how does this nail clipper works? So what we have here is a magnetic piece that get attached to this piece in here. So if I move it closely to it, it gets stuck to it like you see. So if I just move it like that, now I can use my nail clipper without a worry. And you may think, yeah, but what's so different about this nail clipper in comparison to the regular one? Well, this one is actually very great because if I may demonstrate for you how this nail clipper works, it's actually very sharp. And you may think, yeah, but why just not use the other one? Well, I can tell you, if you will use a random nail clipper that's not that sharp like this one, you may get an infected finger. And as a matter of fact, I got the same thing with this finger in here. So it's just healed. You may have seen it in a previous video. This finger was very thick and I thought, no, that's the last thing I want. So I went directly and ordered a very sharp nail clipper. And if I can compare it to a regular one, yeah, this one works great as well, but yeah, it's not the same like this one. This one looks very sophisticated, if you ask me. It's very clean. The design looks very great. It has this magnetic piece that gets attached to this piece with let it. So now you can use it easily if you are right-handed or left-handed. And you can't say that about this nail clipper in here. So that's actually the main reason why I ordered this one. And the great part about it is that you can just order it from AliExpress. I mostly don't like ordering products at AliExpress because, first of all, if you look at the picture on AliExpress, you think, wow, that's a great product that will serve me for a long time. But once you get that particular product, you find out that it's garbage or that it's not something that you intended to have. But this one in here is actually very great. The material is also made from a very good material. I think it's iron or aluminum, but I'm not sure if that's the case. And you get also a second one in the box, so a smaller one and a bigger one. So if you order this one, and the brand is from Mr. Green, as you may see, you get 2 nail clippers and you will not regret it. So if you already have a great sharp nail clipper, don't order it, just use that one. But I like to have my own nail clippers that I can use for many years to come. It's something that you need to have. You shouldn't bite on your nails. That shouldn't absolutely not be the case. You don't want to have an infected nail or something. The best part is that you can use them for yourself or give one to your spouse or your friend or family member, and the other one use them yourself. Or you can use one for your hands and the other one for your feet. So that's actually it in this video. I hope I've served you somehow. If you are looking for a nail clipper, definitely go for this one. I'm not affiliated with these guys. You don't find any link in the description below. Just go to AliExpress, type in Mr. Green nail clipper, and you will find one for like 10 euros or $10 if you live in the US. So yeah, if you have any questions about this particular nail clipper, it's not a very sophisticated tech product, I know, but if you have any questions about it, just leave that in the comment section below. I'll answer all questions. Support this channel. All subscriptions are welcome. You can do it. Just hit that subscription button underneath this video and that notification bell, and you will serve me a lot. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.